Have you ever wanted to take one full episode edit from Riverside and then extract from it a segment that you can use as a separate edit or a separate clip or repurpose your content, whatever you want to do? This is actually possible in Riverside, and I'm not talking about starting a new edit from scratch from the recordings. We can do this from an existing edit, the one that you've done and worked so hard on. Maybe you applied filler words and gaps removals and other stuff that you added to the episode, and you finished it. And then you want to take a big chunk of it, maybe, not just a clip, and create a separate edit from it. I see this question a lot, and let me show you how it works. So I'm in my studio here. I have this typical episode that I show with Chris Menard, and these are the recordings. But I'm not going to click edit here because this is going to start a new edit from scratch. All the stuff that I've done is not going to be there. Instead, I'm going to go to the Edits tab, and here I can find all the edits I've done. Look at how many I have. So the first thing that I want to show you is this one here, Main Episode Edit. I just finished this one. I applied the magic audio, I removed filler words, I shortened the gaps, I did the scenes and all the camera changes, whatever I did. So now I wanted to extract a portion of this. So I'm going to go inside of this one, click Edit. Maybe I even exported it, so that's okay. You know, it's fine. It's gone out. It's exported. But from this one, I want to start now and create a new segment or a new smaller episode, if you want to call it that. And here we go. This is the easiest way to do. You need to scroll down into the text. It's actually easy to do this with the text. So go and find that portion you want to extract. All right. So let's suppose I'm just going to stop here with the strategies part. Chapters help if you have them. And then I'm going to just click on this and select it and keep going down with the text selection first. So as you go at the bottom, it's going to start scrolling, and you can stop to see where you're going. Keep scrolling like this. And let's say that I'm going to stop right here. Okay, so I've made my selection. Now you notice this little bar popped up, and there's a button right here that says Create New Edit. When I click this, watch what happens. It opens that drawer at the top that shows me all the stuff I have in this project, right? And one downside here is that you need to be aware that as soon as you created something, go and rename it. Because look what happened. I've got this episode here, the one I'm in. It shows it's highlighted with purple, which means I am inside of this one right now. This is the main episode. And the one that I just extracted, which happens to be 2 minutes 52, it has been extracted with the same name. So this is a thing there. You need to make sure that you rename that right away, because otherwise you're going to forget and you're going to be like, which one is it? Because I've done the long one. The short one is the same name, So all you need to do is click in here on the 3 lines and just say rename. And by the way, if this drawer doesn't show up, let me show you where it is. I'm going to close it because if you clicked away by accident, it's gone. So at the top here, you've got your name, the name of your edit, and it shows you which one you're in, as well as the format. And this little arrow opens that drawer. Look at that. So it still shows that I'm in this long one, 45 minutes. And by the way, here at the top, you can rename the current one you're in. But here with the 3 dots, you can just click here, rename. And let's delete all that text. And I'm going to just call this one Shorter Segment 1. Okay, maybe I'm extracting more. So there you go. That's the edit. And from here as well, you can jump into them. Let's click on that. And that's going to just switch to that and open it up. By the way, the new Riverside editor that's coming soon is going to make navigating between edits in the same project much, much faster. You're going to see. So here we go. This is the one that I extracted. You see only that part from that chapter. It goes down and it ends right here. For some reason, it keeps the other chapters. I don't mind. And by the way, if instead of seeing these chapters and just the clip that you selected, you may actually see this. You may see a lot of crossed out text. I switched it off, but if you see this one and say, hey man, I just extracted this, what's happening with all this text? Not a problem. Actually, what Riverside did, it duplicated the original edit you made and then crossed out or deleted all the other parts you didn't select. So they're still here, which makes it easy for you to restore some of it. If you think, oh, I could have used the other part as well, you can go and unignore it or restore it, whatever you want to call it. But if you don't like this, if it bothers you, you see I've got the portion here, but the other stuff is showing. I can go here to this little round button and say show deleted part, turn that off, and now it's all gone. And the only thing I have here is the stuff that I actually copied or duplicated from the other episode right there. So that's kind of how you extract a segment from an existing edit without making the edits again. And this one becomes an edit on its own. You can go and export it when you're ready, share it. You can also change the orientation here at the top, maybe make it 916 vertical, whatever, if you're choosing something for like reels or whatever. And yeah, there you have it. So you don't have to do the same work twice. You can edit once. Usually this is my workflow. I edit my long form version first. I do all the decisions there, all the cleaning, all the corrections, all the cutting. And then if I want to reuse that, I will just replicate parts of it and go and edit separately, starting from that edited version. So there you go. Good practice here. Good tip for you to just rename your stuff always, just to stay organized, because it really helps you find your stuff later. I hope this quick tip helps you. And yeah, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.